Hey folks, I thought I'd do my very first unboxing video. Got something here today I thought I'd show you guys, all you beekeepers out there. I just got in the mail, and apparently it's from China, but it is a compcooler. It's a personal cooling system. Many of you have probably already seen my video on how to keep cool in the heat of summer. Well, this is going to, my top of the line item was an ice vest. This guy is one step further. Pull it out. Let's see. Giant Ziploc bag. All right, so I have another nice Ziploc bag. And so this, I'll make sure you guys can see it. What it says. Well, it says medium large. I'll have to try that on because I did not order a medium large. It's got Velcro. I mean, not Velcro. It's got elastic sides you can adjust, which is nice. Zippers convenient. So this is designed as an undergarment, whereas most of your cooling systems are an overgarment. Well, that's problematic with when it comes to wearing a bee jacket. So hopefully you guys, I got the sun on the back side, hopefully you guys can see all these cooling tubes. And the way this thing works is you got this little set of instructions. This is probably our battery. And it looks like the bladder. This is on the bottom. So we'll pull the rest of our gear out here. That is nothing more than a lot of Velcro on this thing. There it is. So it's got an open and a lock. Let's see. All right, that's simple enough. So we fill our bladder here with ice. It's a 3-liter bladder, and you could fill it with ice and water, or you can fill this thing partially. It says freeze bladder, fill water into roll top. Water must be below fill line to create an air packet. After freezing, the air bubble fills with circulation water for the pump. After that, fill a small amount of circulation water in the top. You know, Taiwanese instructions. Connect ice bladder to the cooling unit, outlet inlet. Start circulation with the on-off switch or temp controller. That's pretty cool. Ice cube option. For instant use, fill ice cubes with small amount of water into roll top. Roll top being this bladder. Ice cubes may melt faster than frozen bladder. So the reason I got this thing is while I'm out and about, and it's got quick releases on this, if I can get my big paws, they're push. Okay, so you can disconnect your bladder, fill it up, and it's nice that they've got them, they're automatically different lengths, and they're insulated with really good, that's like HVAC insulation, that high density foam, and they just snap into place, which is pretty cool. And this thing is actually, hope I'm showing everybody all this stuff. I apologize, I am the cameraman. I'm hoping I'm doing all this stuff where you guys can see it. Matter of fact, let me tilt that camera a little bit more. So hopefully you guys saw all that. And so you just fill it in, fill it up, and use the little tab right there to Velcro and hold it in place. So you got your cooling unit here all nice. You strap it in. So this can be used for pretty active. This is a backpack, obviously, that's kind of separate from the jacket, which is also nice because you're not wearing a lot. And there's your on and off switch, which is convenient. It's on the front, which I really like that, so you're not having to dig around and look for anything. The only thing I haven't found is where the battery goes. Now, it's got a little, just looks like a little pocket up here. And there's our charging unit for the lithium. If I find where the pump is, I'll probably find where to put the battery on. My guess would be down here in this no man's land. There's a little pocket here. Looks like it's probably for the. Let me disconnect these. This is what you get with an instant video, right? You don't. You guys get to learn with me at the same time. This is just for lines, I imagine. So there we go. There's the. So apparently our battery comes charged. It's got indicator light. And my guess would be that they bundle this up. My guess would be you'd want to carry it down here in this pouch right down the bottom. Seeing as it seems like it's made for it. seems like they've got an awful lot of line for it, but that's fine. So, got that there. Snap in here. Here, if this had ice water in it, she would be good to go. And it works. I can't, you can feel the, tell you what, we'll fill this with water, just for giggles. And since I've got a sink right over here. Alright, we got 1.5 liters of water in there. Put that through the top. Anchor. Said, I don't know if you need all these straps, but I see what they're doing. They're trying to keep this thing as upright as possible. I'll have to say, so far I'm impressed with the quality. Everything seems to be pretty well made. This has got some nice stiffness to it, as well as good reflective insulation. Now I'm going to turn this on, and it should spit out some water. As a fellow says, I should spit out some water. Oh, it's not going to because the valve's shut. Let's see. I'll probably have to have it. Next question is, are these marked in any way so you know which is... Well, I guess it doesn't really matter which one's a little bit... There it goes. I'll read a few more specs from you for you guys because I misspoke. This thing has got a cooling time of 2 to 4 hours on 2 liters of frozen bladder, or 3 to 6 hours for 3-liter frozen bladder, and 4 to 8 hours for a 6-liter ice cooler. Battery operated, the 2.2 amp hour battery will run 8 hours. You can also get a 5 amp hour battery, and it will run for 15 hours. So that's pretty cool. Alright folks, and here it is, me wearing it. The thing's really comfortable. I like that power switch is right here. It'll work real well as far as my vest. my bee jacket. Should be able to actually feel through my jacket and turn it on and off if I don't want to turn it on immediately, which is the other nice thing about this, is I can wait till I'm hot before I actually turn it on. The cooling, you really feel it on your chest. It's really nice up here, as well as on your upper back. Those are the most prominent cooling, and there's a lot of all these cooling lines really make a difference. You don't have like a really cold spot and then a warm spot. Instead, it just feels like the whole thing is cooled. The backpack is not bad. It's easy as far as weight goes. It won't be a problem with my bee jacket. There'll be plenty of room. And anyway, I guess that's all I can say is I really like it. I hope it really extends my time I can work bees during the summer, because 90-degree heat and a bee jacket is no fun. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys soon.